go! Welcome to day 4 of my Paw Patrol Sneeze compilation. And day 4. And I'm with Marie. Not gonna make a long intro, but here we go!
I need you to take care of the sniffly pups. I'll see if Katie can come by and help. Sky, I need you to use your goggles and copter to help find the missing pigs.
This pup's gonna...
Oh no, Sky, you too?
I had to stay here, huh? But your little smell's turning me into a big sneezer. I'll take this ride, for exercise. Paw Patrol, ready for action, Rider, sir.
Please don't pick me.
This is on the... Excuse me. On it. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Pup's gonna... Ew. Woo! Wow. Aw, do we have to be you? Who needs a drink? Keep sniffing, pups. We're having a drink close. Sorry. Oops. Sorry. Sky? Excuse me.
Zuma, I need you and your buoy. If Farmer Owl's pigs end up in the creek, we'll need you to bring them to shore.
I'm ready to say Zuma's got a cold too. If I'm ill, I better chill. Picking me. I'm a little allergic to feathers. Uh-oh. Huh? Now let's see if we can find out what's wrong. Excuse me. Another one? But wait, that one's way closer to the danger zone. What if I sneeze and scare her? Uh-oh. That tickles my nose. Cut! Sorry, Suma's tail tickled my nose. What do you think about that, Marie? Meow! That was fun! Let's do it again sometime! Alright, let's go, Marie! I knew you could do it! Oh, look at the time! I'll see you on my day 5 of my Paw Patrol Sneeze compilation. See you on part 5!